Today, I am trying out a website called Lexica. It is a photo generating website. You can search for images or you can create your own just based on suggestion. So first I had to sign up through Google. So I did that. Typed in photo realistic bear climbing the Empire State Building. This is what I got. I sped this up just to make the video not so long. Changed it a little bit, just climbing up the Empire State Building, see what it come up with for that, and doesn't seem to have changed really anything. Let's make him angry. Okay. All right, I'm going to try a few other things. I tried some eagle shots and stuff like that, but now I'm going to do King Cobra. Those all look like lizards. I just typed in simply King Cobra snake, and again, it gives me snake bodies with lizard heads. It's very strange. And again, snakes bodies with lizard heads. And that one has whiskers. It's so weird. All right, let's just try snake. I don't know who that guy is, but his name must be Snake. Okay. Now we'll try bear with sunglasses. That's pretty cool. I like that one. I tried Pat Mahomes a couple of times. They got the hair right, kind of, but does not look like him. Try Pat Mahomes the second. See if that does anything. No, not really. Let's see here. How about Christopher Walken? These all take about 10 seconds to load. I've just sped it up for time's sake. Whoa. Kind of looks like Walken. Dog and cat riding a tandem bike. Okay. Just regenerated it again. And this is what it came up with. Pretty funny. There's always some very strange aspects to it, like the legs of a human on the dog. Legs of the human on the cat. So let's check out the advanced settings. I don't know what the guidance scale is. I'm just going to bump it up a little bit. There's another version. Let's try that. Looks like it lowered the image quality. Okay. So there you go. A couple more dogs and cats riding bikes. Let's go back to version 3. Let's bump this up all the way. I also typed in mountains in the negative prompt, and I think it removed any mountains from the photo. So I'm just trying to go as quick as I can. Try Snake wearing a top hat with his arms out. See what that looks like. I sped this up for time, and none of those really look like a snake except for the one with the half face over the half head. Very strange. Cool looking though, but I'm getting lizards more than snakes. It is weird. All right, let's try the bald eagle. Okay. Photorealistic bald eagle. Alrighty. Let's try an anime style bald eagle. Nah, it didn't really change the style. With a bald eagle in the style of Rembrandt. I spelled that wrong. Oh, free trial has come to an end. You can only do so many generations before it wants to charge you, and it looks like the starter's $8 a month, or you can bill it at $96 a year, so on and so forth. Here's some of the frequently asked questions. There you go. I'm not an expert on these prompts, so, you know, I'm sure there's some people that are getting pretty good at using this and maybe have the need to pay for it. But for me right now, I don't see it being worth the $8 a month for me. But thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Have a great day.